long supply chains to Hawaii, households here should stockpile emergency supplies to be 2 weeks ready for a hurricane or other emergencies.
That includes food for 2 weeks, a battery-powered radio, flashlight, and other items.
But the item that's likely to take up the most space in your kit is water. 1 gallon of water per day for each person in your household to meet drinking water and hygiene needs.
14 gallons of water per person eats up a lot of storage space. If you have pets, you'll need water for them also. But that doesn't mean you need to race out and buy a pallet of bottled water.
You should definitely keep water on hand, but you can reuse clean containers for water storage. Disinfect them with the cap full of liquid bleach in a gallon of water, then rinse, then refill, add a drop of unscented bleach, seal, and store in a dark place. Replace the water in these reused containers each year.
In areas with seismic activity, such as Hawai'i and Maui counties, earthquakes are a hazard and strike with no notice, but hurricanes arrive with days of warning. To save storage space in an area with less seismic risk, fill collapsible jugs with water, or fill containers or a clean bathtub just before the storm arrives.
People can live weeks with no food, but only days without water. Dirty water also can cause disease, so consider adding water purification supplies to your emergency kit.
Water is a vital emergency supply, but we hear a lot of questions about emergency food. We'll answer some of them on our next episode.